Welcome back to Tech Finance, your go-to channel for the latest insights in technology and finance. Today, we're diving into the top websites that can help you maximize your earnings, boost your views, increase your sales, and much more. Whether you're a freelancer looking to land more gigs, a content creator aiming to grow your audience, or an entrepreneur seeking to scale your e-commerce business, these platforms are game changers. Stick around as we explore the best tools and strategies to take your online presence and financial success to the next level. In this video, we will present social media management and growth websites, content creation and optimization websites, email marketing websites, SEO and analytics websites, and e-commerce and sales optimization websites. Starting with our first website, which is Hootsuite.com. Hootsuite, founded in 2008 by Ryan Holmes in Vancouver, Canada, is a premier social media management platform. It enables users to manage multiple social media accounts from a single dashboard, offering features like advanced post scheduling, detailed analytics, real-time engagement monitoring, and team collaboration tools. Supporting major platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest, Hootsuite serves over 18 million users globally, from individuals to large enterprises. The platform integrates with over 150 apps, including Google Analytics and Dropbox, and offers various pricing plans, including a free tier. Hootsuite Academy provides educational resources and certifications to enhance users' social media skills. Known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Hootsuite also ensures robust security with single sign-on, SSO, and compliance with industry standards. Now let's talk about our second website, which is Later.com. Later, founded in 2014 in Vancouver, Canada, is a leading social media scheduling and management platform, particularly renowned for its Instagram marketing capabilities. It features a visual content calendar that allows users to drag and drop images to schedule posts across multiple platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Later's auto-publishing feature and robust analytics provide insights into post performance and audience engagement. The platform's link in bio tool creates a clickable, shoppable Instagram feed to drive traffic to websites and product pages, while the media library stores and organizes photos and videos. With over 7 million users ranging from individuals to large enterprises, Later offers both a free plan and several paid plans with advanced tools. Integrations with Dropbox, Google Drive, and Shopify streamline content creation, and the mobile app available on iOS and Android allows for on-the-go management. Later is praised for its intuitive interface and offers extensive educational resources through its blog, webinars, and social media marketing courses. Moving on to the next website, which is BuzzSumo.com. BuzzSumo, founded in 2013 by James Blackwell and Henley Wing, is a leading online tool for content research, social media analytics, and influencer marketing. It excels at identifying popular content based on social media shares, finding key influencers to amplify reach, and providing content alerts on specific topics or competitors. The platform also offers competitor analysis, detailed content research reports, and backlink tracking to monitor who links to your content. BuzzSumo supports major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Reddit, serving marketers, content creators, and SEO professionals globally. With a free plan and several paid options, it integrates seamlessly with tools like Buffer and Hootsuite. Known for its user-friendly interface and reliable data, BuzzSumo also provides API access for advanced users and offers educational resources through blog posts, webinars, and guides. Next website we have in our list is MailChimp.com. MailChimp, founded in 2001 by Ben Chestnut and Dan Kurzius, is a premier marketing automation platform and email marketing service. It offers robust features including email marketing, marketing automation, audience management, landing page creation, and social media advertising. With detailed analytics and e-commerce integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, MailChimp helps businesses streamline their marketing efforts. Serving millions of users globally from small startups to large enterprises, MailChimp provides a free plan and several paid plans to cater to various needs. It integrates with numerous third-party apps and offers a mobile app for iOS and Android. Known for its intuitive interface and comprehensive features, MailChimp also provides extensive educational resources and adheres to industry standards for data security and privacy, including GDPR compliance. Coming to the next website, called Ahrefs.com. Ahrefs, founded in 2010 by Dmitry Gerasimenko, is a comprehensive SEO toolset known for its powerful features and extensive data. Key features include Site Explorer for competitor analysis, Keywords Explorer for in-depth keyword research, Content Explorer to discover popular content, Rank Tracker for monitoring search engine positions, and Site Audit to identify and fix SEO issues. Ahrefs also offers detailed backlink reports and alerts for new and lost backlinks and brand mentions. Widely used by SEO professionals, digital marketers, and content creators, Ahrefs serves major brands and agencies with various subscription plans. The platform integrates with tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console and is praised for its accuracy and user-friendly interface. Ahrefs also provides a wealth of educational resources and adheres to industry standards for data security and privacy. Next website is Hotjar.com. Hotjar, founded in 2014 by David Darmanin, is a leading behavior analytics and user feedback service designed to help website owners understand and improve user experience. Key features include heat maps that visualize user behavior, session recordings that show real-time navigation, feedback polls, targeted surveys, conversion funnels to identify drop-off points, and form analysis for optimizing form completion rates. Hotjar is widely used by digital marketers, UX designers, product managers, and analysts, including major brands. The platform offers a range of pricing plans, from a free basic plan to advanced paid options, and integrates with tools like Google Analytics, Optimizely, HubSpot, and Slack. Known for its user-friendly interface and easy setup, Hotjar complies with GDPR and CCPA, ensuring user data privacy. Renowned for its valuable insights, Hotjar provides extensive educational resources to help users maximize its potential. Let's talk about the website Lumen5.com. Lumen5, founded in 2017 by Michael Cheng, Chris Cha, and Nigel Gutzman, is a video creation platform that leverages AI to convert text content into engaging videos. It features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, AI-powered storyboarding, and access to millions of stock photos, videos, and music tracks. Users can create videos optimized for social media platforms with customizable templates and branding options. Lumen5 supports team collaboration and integrates with tools like HubSpot and WordPress. It offers a free plan and several paid options, known for its ease of use and efficient video production. The platform also provides robust customer support and educational resources to enhance video marketing strategies. Moving straight to the next website, which is Moz.com. Moz, founded in 2004 by Rand Fishkin and Jillian Muessig, is a leading SEO software suite that offers tools to improve search engine rankings and optimize websites. Key features include Keyword Explorer for research, Link Explorer for analyzing backlinks, Site Crawl for identifying SEO issues, Rank Tracker for monitoring keyword positions, and on-page optimization recommendations. Moz also provides local SEO tools and detailed SEO reports. It caters to SEO professionals, digital marketers, and business owners with various subscription plans, including a free version and paid options. Moz integrates with Google Analytics and other platforms and is renowned for its extensive educational resources through its blog, guides, Moz Academy, and community events like MozCon. Known for its reliable data and user-friendly interface, Moz adheres to industry standards for security and privacy. Our second-last website is Adespresso.com. Adespresso, founded in 2013 by Massimo Chiaruzzi and Andrea Gozzi, is a robust platform for creating, managing, and optimizing Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads. It streamlines ad creation with an easy-to-use interface, supports A/B testing for optimizing ad elements, and provides detailed performance analytics. Adespresso simplifies campaign management, offers automation features, and integrates with Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads, and Google Analytics. Known for its user-friendly design, it serves marketers, small businesses, and agencies. Adespresso offers various subscription plans and extensive educational resources, including blogs, guides, and webinars. Acquired by Hootsuite in 2017, it is recognized for its effectiveness in optimizing ad performance. And the last website in our list is ChatGPT.com. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI and currently accessible through OpenAI.com, is a state-of-the-art language model based on the GPT-4 architecture released in 2023. Known for its advanced conversational abilities, ChatGPT is widely used for applications such as customer support, content creation, and tutoring. The model is trained on a diverse dataset, including licensed and publicly available data, allowing it to generate human-like text responses. OpenAI offers various subscription plans, from free tier access to paid options for higher usage, and provides comprehensive resources and community support to help users maximize the platform's potential. Emphasizing ethical usage, OpenAI has implemented safety measures to mitigate harmful outputs and encourages responsible use. Continuous updates and improvements ensure that ChatGPT remains at the forefront of AI technology. Thanks for tuning into Tech Finance. We hope you found our list of top websites to maximize your earnings, views, and sales both informative and actionable. Whether you're looking to boost your social media presence, drive more traffic to your website, or enhance your marketing strategies, these tools can provide the insights and capabilities you need to succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on technology and finance. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a tool you'd like us to cover in future videos. And as always, make sure to ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.